Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you the easiest card trick that I know, okay? So I'm just gonna go through the deck and I'm just gonna make a prediction, okay? One prediction. And now I'm gonna have a spectator. It's a regular deck and it's well mixed, well shuffled. I'm gonna have a spectator separate the deck into three piles. Any three piles that they want, they can, pick as many cards as they like or a few as they like, okay? And then we'll turn over one card from each pile. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count down the number of cards corresponding to the number of the card that they turned over, okay? And face cards are 10, so this is a 10, so I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then place one card on each pile. And then for the second one, I'm gonna do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because they did a king, it's 10. And then the last one is a 5, so I'm gonna count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then place a card on each pile, okay? Now, earlier I made a prediction. They cut the deck to any three spots that they want. We turned over three cards. It could have been any number of cards corresponding to each card here, but I predicted one card here, and look at that, I predicted an ace, and you happen to have found the 4 aces, okay? And now that's the easiest card trick I know. And before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. You really help this channel out. And if you're looking for information on how to become a channel member, there's a tab on YouTube and you can do it all through there.
Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic.
All right, now for the tutorial, the easiest card trick I know, okay? There's a little setup involved in this trick, and it is just a regular deck of cards, okay? So you just have, your regular deck, well mixed, well shuffled, and you're gonna pull out a 5, and then any 4 of the same cards as you want. I use the aces, you can use 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, whatever. And then you're gonna set the deck up like this. You're gonna take the 5, any 3 cards, okay? And then the 3 cards that correspond to what your prediction is gonna be, put them on top of like that, okay? So you take these 7 cards and you just place them on top of the deck just like that, okay? So now you have 7 cards set up on top of the deck, okay? A 5, any 3 cards, and then the 3 that you're going to predict. Now you can take your prediction card and just place it anywhere in the deck as long as it's not in the top 7, okay? You can show, it's a regular deck of cards. I did a Hindu shuffle in the beginning where you're just taking just a packet of cards out of the middle and then just taking cards on top of that and just redoing it, do that same move over and over and over again. Just, you look like you're mixing up the cards, and then they see the cards that they're all, in a different order, okay? Now you say, I'm gonna make a prediction. Now you go through the cards and you look for that ace, okay? So it should be somewhere not in the top 7 cards, okay? So pull the ace out, away from the spectator, they don't see that. And then have the spectator separate the deck just into any 3 piles that they want. It doesn't matter because your setup is on this top card here. Now just turn these cards over, and it doesn't matter what they are. This one has to be the 5, okay? Because that's how you set up the deck. And then you just count down whatever number of cards corresponds to the card that they flip over, and just say a face card's a 10 card, it's valued at 10. You can do 13, but sometimes at the end stack, they don't have really 13 cards here. So 10 is always better, but it's up to you. It's completely optional. And then you just count down 10 cards, put a card on each other pile, and then place those on top. And then do it again for the middle one. Then just say 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a card on this one, place a card on that one, put those cards back down. Now what you've done is you've just set up so that when you deal down 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, place a card here, place a card here, place these on top. That'll correspond to those 3 cards that you set up in the beginning. And of course that's matches your prediction. It's really easy to do. It's almost self-working. It's just a little setup, but this is the easiest trick I know. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you're enjoying your summer. Let me know what you think, and until next time.